That's watching the video, and here is it. So I was there just this morning and I saw a message from a friend on TikTok asking me about Pacminer, telling me that Pacminer has cast. And I was like, really? Is that so? And as I went to the video I made on TikTok concerning that one, the Pacminer, telling you that it is a Ponzi scam, it will collapse one day, I checked for the comments and people were just saying that it don't cast, it casts. Like, lucky, I'm lucky I withdrew my balance and a lot of things. Okay, and now they are saying on TikTok, they are just complaining that their withdrawals and everything has been delayed. Okay, and they just think that it has cast. But for me, since I wasn't into it, I wasn't investing on it, I don't know whether it has casted or not. But the site is still working, everything is working just fine. And the first thing that happens when a site goes off is that their withdrawals will not come. That's one thing. And then later, when you log on to the site, it will not open for you to just, do what you do always. Okay, so this is, a red flag telling us that Pacminer is gone. So let's see whether they'll come back again. Just like use skills they did. Use skills they went off, they came back, and then later they ran away again. So who knows whether they'll come back again or not. But bear in mind that these websites are Ponzi scheme and not 100% safe. You can lose your money at any time. They can run away at any time. So if it comes back, bear in mind, don't be referring your friends, just withdraw your income and just ignore any VIP, whatever. Just ignore those things. Okay, so there is a little information that I have for you and an update from the Pacminer. And also check in the comment section and enjoy my Telegram channel for how you can just make money online. Stay alive and bye for now.